You can stuff in there real quick. Just take like a bunch of them and shove them in. Get out of the way. It's hot.
Just do it.
All right, wait. I need to know who's in the group. Okay, gotta tell us who's in the group. Teddy. Courtney. Shelly. Horton. Okay, folks, if you wanna, if you've got your little phone and you want to video these with your phone, I don't care.
Yes.
That's not just so bad. It would have
So if you've got it, you can do that.
I'm so scared right now.
Back on. All right.
What if I get pop on me?
Then you're gonna be sweet.
Okay. Do we go now?
Go ahead. Put more of them in there. Come on.
Go more!
Throw them in there.
Put the whole pack.
All right, this is anticlimactic now.
What?
Just put them in there. Do it.
Hurry up. This is so stupid.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's all gone.
Dang it.
Okay.
I didn't even see it.
I got it on Facebook.